Hello everybody to my FM Signals info show. My name is Tilda Mikalesh from good old Germany, and you're welcome to another 48 hours technical analysis and synthesis. Tonight I'm choosing the US dollar South African rand. So analyze the stuff again, it's still yours. Okay guys, traders, all around the world, let's go. It's 4:03 Central European Time on Friday, the 24th February 2012. Welcome once again. And here is the US dollar South African rand, 1 hourly chart, and we are on pretty interesting area. We see yes, the falling prices here, and here in February, start of February, perhaps we're creating something like a button, and here the sideways trend, or perhaps here even a spike, and yes, perhaps we will fall back on new lows of this year. However, it's a pretty interesting scenario, in my opinion. Here this week we see here this, how do you say, gap, of course, yes, in English, gap, and we are trading still here on a down bit and pretty slightly sideways trend. So yes, pretty interesting. Here we've got the gap last week again, week before. So yes, we will see what happens. So I'm painting some lines, of course, here. Here we can see the lows, and here the sideways trend if you want, and here the spike out. So the question is, of course, is this more buy area or a sell area to this lows? I would prefer the long side here in the US dollar rand. Not in every cross rate I would buy the dollar, and in not every cross rate I would sell the rand. So analyze this stuff or the currency cross rate by cross rate. So yes, and yes, that's also the main signal for today. Here the sideways trend, and the question: fall down, buy zone, or sell to the lows. I would prefer the buy zone and take the stop round about here. If here I'm painting some another lines. Yes, okay, that's for first. let's go with the technical analysis further. Here I'm painting two, here this high and this high, so and this upside trend after we've got the lows, and then the how to say, evidence or support line, yes, here this upside trend, and we break through, creating here something like a diamond formation or on top if you want, and here the spike. So here remember this or this, so these two scenarios, and I put these scenarios together, so we've got this formation or this main picture on the 1 hourly chart. Okay, how to trade it? I said yes, I would prefer the long side. We are trading around about in this sideways trend and a little bit under this scenario cross, if you want. Okay, so we are pretty in here, interesting technical area. So, and here zoom a little bit to the 30 minutes charts, so we see the actuality scenario much better. And interesting on the 30 minutes chart view is of course here this sideways trend is above this trend. So if you want, we can here also create it sideways trend on the bottom, and here on the that's the question. If we create it here bottom sideways trend, then here is this a sideways trend again for the next step, or even here the spike and we're falling back. That's the question. I don't know, of course, but I would prefer long side. Don't forget, this signal is high speculative. Here if we see longer view, so this is an how to say, anti-cycle signal. Yeah, not trend following, so sharp ratio, yeah, sharks like, if you want, anti-trend, and but we've got here a lot of space, so yes, it's contrarian, it's a contrarian position, so be aware, take response, trade only with money which you can afford, and I wouldn't be wondering if we are stopped out in this cross rate, this trading capability. Not today, on Friday, but perhaps next week. Excuse me. But if not, if this trade goes on, we have if we're trading in the box next week and perhaps go out, then yes, then we've got it. Then we've got a good trading capability. Okay, come back to the 30 minutes charts here. And the question is, of course, if we go long in this area, where should we create a stop? Before that, I would create a stop here. As I say, here we could also create we could also create a much higher sideways trend, perhaps to here, or as I'm saying, here if you want, or here also a much larger sideways trend here, but I'm created here at these lowest levels, and I'm telling you soon the reason why. So, and I would take the stop here. So if we fall out of this area, I wouldn't take the stop here, because here is the possibility to break down, and if we break down, then would be a much bigger short signal, but step by step. So, and back to the 30 minutes here. So I would take the stop here around about 759, 760 roundabout. Yes, we are here right now at 766 or 767, 767. Yes. So we've got enough space on the downside for the stop, and here the reason why I'm choosing this, because if we do this channel, we've created here this area. So I'm hoping that here some market participants got the same idea and buy again, buy two. Here from the technical view, it's also yes, a bar area. Here I saw this chart, of course, also in February, but here we started again, I was too afraid. Let me stay honestly. Aftermath, all clear, but here then I was too afraid to act at once. Okay. By the way, delete this. So we've got a better overview. Okay, let's go to the 50-minute charts to get a little bit a better picture. Here the 50-minute charts, same picture, same size, and here we see around about this area. Here we broke these lines, and this week. So okay, interesting is of course here the high and the low of this month. I'm painting here inside high and low of this month. Here we see high and low of this month. Okay, the dot area don't give me much more at the time 50-minute charts. However, we see in yellow the high of this month and lows. Here the lows round about 753, so a little bit above. Here we can, yes, above this line. This line is by 752, so a little bit above. Oh no, this should be. Oh, here's an error. One moment, please. One moment. Yeah, okay. Now we are back. Yeah, that's the low. 753.68. Yes, that's the value of the low of this. Where we was? Yes, of the low of the February. Yes, your US dollar ZAR. And what I wanna say is here the high and here the Fibonacci lines, and here we are trading here around about, yes, here at 38 to high low of this month. So very interesting line, very interesting area. And for all FIBO traders here this week we are trading between 38 to 61 here at mid prices even of this month. So perhaps these mid prices could be even a support line too. Could, of course. Interesting to come to an end is also here the trading sessions of this week. Here we see on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So yesterday or in the last hours here we are fall back. So yes, pretty interesting area. So here we see these lines. Yeah, how to trade, how to buy. Of course you can buy also right here, right now. I would prefer to buy the stop here. Interesting is of course here once again. Okay, here here this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yesterday, so the last week, and here we see the 38,2% line of this month, high low. Here the 50. Interesting is of course today we've got as Europe or South Africa, the JBOR JSE closed, we've got the sell-off, and here we're trading roundabout at the lows of JPOG trading session. I'm putting two lines here also, the low of Monday and the low of Monday, Tuesday night, and the high of Monday and the high of Tuesday night or morning. So, and by the way, we create here something like a triangle. So when we see here low, high, high, lows, and the question is, of course, is this a buy area? High speculative trading option. Of course, don't accept too much. But if it could be a great opportunity. So here, once again. So here, okay, once again. So here, this trading space, I don't accept that we will ever touch this line, but here, in this case, here perhaps on the 1 hourly time frame, come out here, perhaps, yes. So that could be a great opportunity. So okay, here the action. Here once again, don't forget to take a stop, to create a stop here. By the way, this was this chart which I'm searched here. Okay. Yes, okay, here. Here's this the stop line. Here we see the next week and the next week for March. So I'm accepting prices here. Sideways trend, slightly upside. Preferring with a slightly upside move. Here we see it better. Here don't forget. Of course, you can also take the stop here, short stop. Here second. Here over and out, and new scenario, new trading capability. So okay. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great time. Have a great weekend. Here, by the way, the trading area or the trading session of South Africa and Wall Street tomorrow or today if you're in Europe or east side of this planet, west side. Have a great night. Tomorrow, great trading day. A great weekend to all, and talking to you tomorrow, Monday morning, Central European time. Wish you the best. I'm on out. Peace. Yeah, I'm coming. Warte. Wait, warte.